Let's now move on and shift our focus to the latest coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. A major controversy has erupted in Jammu and Kashmir over a book that was allegedly procured for government school libraries under the Samagra Shiksha scheme. The book, titled Great Personalities and Legends of Jammu and Kashmir Series 4, has come under severe criticism after the Jammu and Kashmir People's Forum alleged that it glorifies separatist leaders and individuals associated with separatist politics. According to the forum, the book includes chapters on figures such as Maqbool Bhatt, Syed Ali Shah Gilani, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Masarat Alam and Mirwais Umar Farooq, describing them as prominent personalities of Jammu and Kashmir. The organization has further alleged that the book refers to Maqbool Bhatt as a shaheed and contains descriptions that portray him in a positive light. It has even questioned how such material was even approved for circulation in government school libraries and demanded inquiry into the approval process. Times Now has also accessed the copy of the book and examined the contents that have sparked this big controversy.
Times Now has got this book. This is the book which name is Personality and the Legends of Jammu and Kashmir. This book is in the controversy because under the Samagra Shiksha scheme, this book has been distributed in the libraries of the government schools. In this book, there are many terrorist names which are in this book. Let me show you the topics and the book where these names are being named. Shaheed Maqbool Bhatt. How come Shaheed comes with the Maqbool Bhatt? Everyone knows that he is a terrorist. Another name which is in the book is Mirwais Maulana Umar Farooq. Let me show you another name in this book, Masarat Alam Bhatt. This clearly shows that which glorifies the terrorism and the stone pelting in Jammu and Kashmir. Abdul Ghani Lone, Hashim Qureshi. And this is the book. In one more name we will try to show you, Saifuddin Kichlu. This is another name in this book. You can see Shabir Shah. See, these are the separatist leaders. Syed Ali Shah Gilani. You can see clearly. BJP is also questioning the government, present government, Umar Abdullah government. How come this book is being distributed in the libraries? With video journalist Amit Bhardwaj, this is Ankit Bhatt for Times Now.
And we have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. Amid heavy backlash, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Umar Abdullah, in fact, refused to comment on the controversy surrounding the book. He has said that he has neither read nor even read this book nor heard about this book. Listen in.
उमर साहब, एक बुक आई है, कोई बीजेपी पे कर रही है, उसमें जो गिलानी है, मसरत आलम है, उनको हीरो बनाया गया है सब।
मैंने ये बुक ना इसके बारे में सुना है ना ये बुक पढ़ा है, मैं इसके कुछ नहीं कह सकता हूँ।
उमर साहब, एक बुक आई है, कोई बीजेपी पे कर रही है, उसमें जो गिलानी है, मसरत आलम है, उनको हीरो बनाया गया है सब।
मैंने ये बुक ना इसके बारे में सुना है ना ये बुक पढ़ा है, मैं इसके कुछ नहीं कह सकता।
हमारे संज्ञान में आया कि एक बहुत ही विवादास्पद और आपत्तिजनक बुक।
उमर साहब, एक बुक आई है, कोई बीजेपी पे कर रही है, उसमें जो गिलानी है, मसरत आलम है, उनको हीरो बनाया गया है सब।
मैंने ये बुक ना इसके बारे में सुना है ना ये बुक पढ़ा है, मैं इसके कुछ नहीं कह सकता हूँ।
Let's go across to my colleague Ankit, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Ankit, in your report, you were showing to us the copy of the book and the controversial names that are mentioned in that particular book. But you just heard from the Chief Minister, who is saying that he has no clue about this particular book. So I want to understand from you, how did this book, get the clearance?
Let me tell you the background of this particular book. It's the book which comes under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, which was approved by the panel. After that, the book was approved by the first it was approved by the panel, and then it was being given the clearance. Jammu Kashmir government has given this book under this scheme to the schools, libraries, and this is the point when this book reached to the school libraries in Jammu and Kashmir. This book, which has been accessed by the Times Now, it clearly shows the names of the separatist leaders and the terrorists. Look at this book. It has clearly, in this book, it has clearly written Shahid Maqbool Butt. How come Shahid comes under Maqbool Butt? Everyone knows who was Maqbool Butt. Masrat Alam, the unrest which was in Jammu and Kashmir, the stone pelting which was in Jammu and Kashmir, these were the main persons, these were the main who were inspiring the youths for the stone pelting. Another name, Shabir Shah, another name, Alisha Gilani was also mentioned in the book, and this is the question which has been raised by the BJP also. How come this book is being given approval and it has been approved, and this book has been circulated to the libraries in the Jammu and Kashmir? The BJP is targeting the National Conference government. The BJP is clearly saying that this is education jihad, which is being taught to the students. Although this is not added in the syllabus, but yes, this is in the libraries of the government schools in Jammu and Kashmir.
That's interesting. It's not part of the syllabus, but it is there definitely in the library of the government school. Stay on with us, Ankit. In fact, leader of the opposition in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, Sunil Sharma, has questioned the Umar Abdullah government in J&K, asking how come such a publication could have been cleared without the knowledge of the Chief Minister or the Education Department from Jammu and Kashmir. Now, former J&K DGP, SP Vaid, also spoke about it. His name also appears in this book, and he described the issue as an extremely serious one. He has alleged that the content could influence students and called for a detailed investigation into this matter, into the approval process. Sample some of the reactions.
हमारे संज्ञान में आया कि एक बहुत ही विवादास्पद और आपत्तिजनक बुक जिसको जम्मू कश्मीर की पुस्तकालय प्रणाली ने लॉन्च किया है और विभिन्न स्कूलों में इसको एक समग्र शिक्षा अभियान के लोगों के तहत पहुंचाया गया है ताकि बच्चे इसको पढ़ें। ये मैं सिर्फ एक निंदा या खंडन के लिए नहीं बात करता हूं, मैं तो कहता हूं कि एक सेडिशियस क्राइम है ये, और इसको तुरंत प्रभाव से तत्काल प्रभाव से बैन करके इस पे गहन जांच करने की आवश्यकता है। इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसको तुरंत खंडन और निंदा के साथ साथ एक जुर्म मान के इस पर सरकार को स्पष्टीकरण मांगती है, और मैं तो कहता हूं कि इसमें चीफ मिनिस्टर तक इस पे पूरी जांच होनी चाहिए।
Sir, one book which is being published, and it is the more shocking is that it is distributed in the libraries. What is your reaction? Your name is also in that book.
It is shameful for me to figure with Masrat Alam, who was one of my detainee when I was DG prisons, and Maqbool Butt, who was a terrorist. So I don't think it's rather it is a disgraceful for me. Anyway, leave myself.
And viewers, while Umar Abdullah says that he is not aware of this particular book, his IMDI allies have a different stand, different viewpoint. Left has deflected and given out a very safe, convenient statement. SP has put the onus on Home Ministry instead of Umar Abdullah government, saying that the Home Ministry should look into it.
Banning book is nothing new in India, especially under RSS rule. जो भी उसका लगेगा इसमें कुछ बात है, जनता के पास सवाल उठाने वाला बात है, क्वेश्चन करने वाला बात है, वो सारे बुक को वो ऐसे बैन करेंगे। आज क्या हो रहा है? टेक्स्ट बुक क्या हो रहा है? टेक्स्ट बुक पर ऊपर रेप हो रहा है, चैप्टर आफ्टर चैप्टर निकाल दिया जा रहा है, सच को निकाल दिया जा रहा है, और जो कल्पना है उसको इतिहास के नाम पे चलाने का कोशिश हो रहा है।
अगर ऐसी कोई बुक है तो पहली बात तो उसे मार्केट में नहीं रहनी चाहिए। गृह मंत्रालय, होम मिनिस्ट्री, भारत सरकार को देखना चाहिए कि ऐसी बुक अगर प्रिंट हो गई है तो उसे सेल आउट की वो नहीं इजाज़त नहीं होनी चाहिए और लाइब्रेरी में नहीं रखी जानी चाहिए। जो लोग भारत के खिलाफ अगर कोई भी शब्द इस्तेमाल करते हैं या विभाजन की बात करते हैं उनका महिमा मंडन बिल्कुल नहीं किया जाना चाहिए। देश की एकता और अखंडता से कोई समझौता नहीं हो सकता।
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. Coming back with lots more. Stay with us.